Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nelly. In today's video I'm going to be working on a straight pour. Today's canvas is a 12 by 16 and I am using paints that are not just craft paint from the dollar store, so I'll let you know what they are. That first one was Artist Loft Cerulean Blue. This is Artist Loft White, with just a dash of Amsterdam White because I wanted to see if that did anything. This color is Artist Loft Brilliant Red. This is Artist Loft's Burnt Sienna. Artist Loft's Brilliant Yellow. Artist Loft's Phthalo Blue. And Artist Loft's Aqua Green. Had my phone sitting the wrong way, so it's more of a vertical picture instead of a horizontal, which I will fix next time. Sure about the small little strips of color. Maybe pull up the cup before the paint starts running out will prevent those super thin lines. This is just some of that Artist Loft in Amsterdam again, but it's thinned out so it can help the paint flow. Stretching it out. This is the wet results. I was a bit unsure of it actually when I was taking this video. I wasn't so sure if it looked too muddy where the burnt sienna was mixing with some of the colors. It looked a little bit more brown than I would have liked. I was trying to go very colorful, and I was hoping that with the colors that I chose, they would mix together really nicely, but I really love how light orange is kind of in there from the red and the yellow, and I really like the dried results, which I will show you next. So here's the dried results, and I'm pretty happy about it. It's no Mina Villegas, who, if you haven't seen her for some reason before you've seen my videos, please go check her out. I will link her in the description box. Her straight pours are amazing, and I wish mine were half as good, but I'm pretty happy with this. It doesn't have a gloss coat on it yet. It's just what the mediums that I used, which was, by the way, just some white glue, a little bit of latex gloss medium because I had some left over from testing, and just a little bit of water for thinning out any of the paints that I needed to. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!